Hello. This is Els coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner. And I went Scaventure today. Yep, I sure did. It was 50% off at Savers today, so I went Scaventure. And they had bags of stuff. Really cool stuff. So I grabbed some. So let me show you what I got, okay? All right. Stupid thumb text stuff. All right. Oh, there's more. Wait, there's more. All right. Let's talk about what we got today. So what I got today was I found this there, and this is a set of Stampin' Up! Stamps called Roughing It from 1998. And they are brand new. Looks like somebody mounted them and never used them. But you got everything in here that's associated with camping in the summertime. Your sleeping bag and coffee pot and compass and a cup and binoculars and knots and things and some fire and some firewood. And I like that they're separate. And then you've got like the marshmallows on a stick and the tent and the boots and everything. So we grabbed that. And then all these stamps. So a lot of these are used. This one's not. This is a recollections piece. It's a sugar skull, but I thought it was really cool. And there were two of these exactly the same. And they're monogram and they're MP. They're the same exact letters. I don't know. Maybe these people were stuck on themselves and had to do it twice. I'm not sure. Then there was this, which is from Recollections. And this is probably out of one of their little scrapbooking kits. I don't see a date on this, but they haven't done this kind of a scrapbooking kit in a while. But these are laser cut wood butterflies. So there's like 3 or 4 of them of each one in there. So I grabbed those. And then I got all of these stamps. Now this is the only one that isn't used. And this one is by Stampers Anonymous. And it is calligraphy quills. So I thought that was kind of cool. This is from the Tim Holtz collection right there. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then I got this one, and this one was also from the Tim Holtz collection. And this one is an old, like, Model T. And then there was this one, which was really cool. It's called The Car. This one is from Stampington and Company from Laguna Hills, California. Never heard of them, but, you know, it needs to be cleaned up. It's a little dirty. It's been used, so it needs to be soaked in my little mix. And I noticed there's paint on this, so somebody obviously stamped with paint for this, acrylic paint. So I may or may not be able to get this cleaned up, but I'm going to try. There's also some acrylic paint on this one. This is a fishbone. This one is also from Stampers Anonymous. So I'm going to try and clean this one up too. I'll just soak it for a while and get a brush to it. But it's got paint on it. So I think somebody may have stamped with paint, maybe doing mixed media or something, and they didn't clean these up. So I'm going to have to clean them up. This one looks like it's all ink. This is not paint. This is ink on here. So this one might be a little easier to clean up. And this one again is from Stampers Anonymous. And this one's just like a background. It's like a postal background theme. So I thought that was kind of cool. Grab that one. This one is from Stampington and Company out of Laguna Hills again. And it is a rose with some architectural details, some writing, and like an old book page in the background. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then there was this one, which was a rooster that had some writing on it, just like some dark areas. And this one, again, it looks like it's just ink. So I'm going to have to, like I said, I'll soak these and see, because the foams look really good on them. The foams are not messed up. So I will soak them and see if I can scrub them and get them cleaned up. So I grabbed all of that. And I saw this on the shelf, and there was no package or anything and no price on it. So I went up to ask Marianne, the manager, about it. And she said, oh, just take it. It's 4 pieces of poster size chipboard. So I can get like 2 books, maybe 2 books out of this. And I found a bag like this. And these are paper packs from Creative Memories. And this one is Monochromatics. 16 sheets of paper, all double-sided. And this one is Designer Prints. This one, again, is 16 sheets double-sided. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So you got something that's got like one side is blue. Well, let's look at this one. So this one here is not listed on here. How odd is that? Might just be a cover piece. Okay, so you got this piece here that's got the swirlies, and on the other side of it, it's green and has an edge with the swirls. You know, Creative Memories is for scrapbooking more than, you know, journaling or anything, but they're really kind of cool. And these are sticker sets. I don't know why they make them so large, because they're a pain in the behind. But this one is spring. It's kind of Easter themed. This one is celebration, and it's like balloons and party cakes and stuff. I like that big swirl. That's neat. And then this one is family, and this one's like, there's watermelon and hearts and like a button lace thing. And there's more than one page usually in these. There's like usually 2 pages or so. So we'll have to see. This one actually matches. This is autumn, and it's specifically designed to match one of those paper packs. Of course, all this stuff matches. This one is summer. Again, it's got the big swirl. This one is travel. Got kind of a frame and a little postcard looking like a stamp here with some balloons and a tag. And that one's kind of cool. And then there's winter. I like this one. And designs. So those are just shapes, it's tags and labels and shapes and frames and things. And then this one is birthday. So this one has like candles and stuff on it. I like these little tabs. These little tabs are kind of cute. And this one's called Tiles. And usually, and this is 4 sticker sheets. And the 4 sticker sheets on this one are all words. So those are cool. And the words are usually clear. And then this one is kids. And so this one has like a school border and like graduation caps and a couple of different tags in it and stuff, and some photo corners and like a book plate. So really cute. And that's pretty much all I got at the thrift store today. And while I was out, I figured let's go to the Dollar Tree and see what they got over there. So we went over to the Dollar Tree. Let me get these out of the way. So we went over to the Dollar Tree, and when I was at the Dollar Tree, I grabbed a roll of duct tape because I need some duct tape. I grabbed a couple of bottles of the Mod Podge. This is the matte. I don't know why they don't carry the gloss, because the gloss would, you know, seem to make sense. But they only cover the matte. I got some rubber bands because I needed them. I was like running out, so I grabbed some rubber bands. I got some dry erase markers because I needed them, because I have a dry erase board and all my dry erase markers are dry. So I got this. It's called Quick Cover. It's by Contact, and it is 18 inches wide by 1.5 yards. So what, 4.5 feet? Granite silver. So I grabbed that. And then because Valentine's Day is coming up, I went ahead and grabbed some pink pearls and some red pearls. And then I grabbed some, they had the doilies out in the shapes. And this one is just, you know, a giant red heart. It has love on it, and it's got a couple of roses, and there's 8 in there. And I got it in the pink. And then I also got the 6-inch one in the white, the pink, and the red. So, all right, so if you haven't done it already, do me a favor. Hit the red button and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got some pearls and some Mod Podge and some doilies. And I got some stamps and, you know, some Tim Holtz stuff too. Till I see you guys again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.